In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious orange bread. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of butter, 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 lemon, 1 orange, and 2 eggs. First, you're going to zest the orange. Using an electric mixer, beat the butter on high until it's fluffy. Now add the sugar and continue to mix on high for 2 minutes. Add your eggs in one at a time. Now blend in your orange zest. Now in a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Now you're going to alternate between pouring in a little bit of the dry mixture and a little bit of the buttermilk into the electric mixture until everything's combined. After everything is mixed, your dough should look like this. Spray your bread pan with non-stick cooking spray. Pour your batter into the bread pan and bake for 45 to 50 minutes in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees or until it's done in the center. Remove from the oven and place the bread pan on a wire rack to cool for 5 minutes, and then remove the bread from the bread pan and cool for an additional 15 minutes. To make this citrus glaze, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of orange juice, and the powdered sugar mixed together. Using a toothpick, poke holes into the top of the bread so that the glaze can seep down into the bread. Last thing left to do is top the bread with the glaze. This bread is really delicious, and I hope you try it. If you do, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.